Good morning guys, it is Monday the 10th of January and I am here in Toronto for a few days to help PCL with the installation of the Ramtech North America WES3 wireless evacuation system. Now, I have visited Toronto a few times over the past few months and I'm starting to feel quite at home here. Yeah, I'd like to order some poutine please. Go Blue Jays. So this is the first day, so I'm going to be heading over to site now and we're going to start installing the WES3 wireless emergency system around the project. So I'm just back from the first day installation. It's been an extremely cold day here, even for Toronto. I think we got down to kind of minus 13 or 14 degrees Celsius today. Tomorrow it's going out to be even colder. The installation went really well. We've installed WES3 call points throughout multiple floors of the tower project. Tomorrow we're going to be installing some smoke and heat sensors in the mechanical rooms and plant rooms to give that automatic activation in the event of a fire, and then we're going to be carrying out some testing. So I'll report back, let you know how things are going. So that's the end of the second day's installation. Everything's now up and running and ready to go for tomorrow's testing. So we've got those smoke and heat sensors in those critical areas of the project to give automatic activation in the event of a fire. We've got the call points located on multiple floors throughout the building to give audio-visual notifications in the event of an emergency. So just to give you an idea of what this helps people achieve on their construction projects, we are replacing the air horn with this WES3 system. At the moment, 95% of contractors are using air horns to evacuate in the event of an emergency, and this is really a dated and unreliable way of achieving evacuations in critical emergency situations. The WES3 system will allow you to hit any of these call points in the event of an emergency, and via the flooded mesh radio network, every single call point will immediately activate on the project. Each of the call points has a audio-visual device on there, so a 95 decibel sounder and a flashing strobe light as well. So this gives a real clear and concise message around the project that there's an evacuation taking place. It's much more reliable than using air horns and it gives a much clearer message. So PCL are taking these extra measures to protect the property and the people working on the construction site, which is fantastic to see from such a massive and valued customer of ours and a huge contractor in the North American construction industry. So now I'm going to go back to site tomorrow. We're going to work with some of the PCL site team, set some of the alarms off, see how things go, and I will report back. But so far everything has gone fantastically well and I'm super excited about testing the system out for real tomorrow. testing day on site, and I'm pleased to report everything went fantastically well. The system performed perfectly and really did show the benefits of having those multiple alarm units placed around the project in comparison with air horns that are currently being used. I was talking to some of the site team today and they were saying the air horns in these cold temperatures, it got down to minus 18 degrees yesterday. They're not reliable in those conditions. Sometimes they just kind of make a bubbling noise when you try and activate them in those particularly cold temperatures. So I think this is a great step forward. We've got multiple contractors now throughout North America utilising the WES3 system to enhance the safety and enhance the way they evacuate projects in the event of an emergency. So all in all, it's been a fantastic trip. I'm going to be heading back to the UK soon, but if anyone would like to find out more about how we can help protect your projects in North America, whether that's a tower project, a large footprint project, a data centre, a distribution centre, the system is very versatile and can suit all types of projects to enhance your safety and your evacuation protection. So thanks for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all soon on LinkedIn.